So now that you're ready to take the leap into spring foraging, we're going to teach you how to do a spring forage saute. So today we're going to use a mix of dandelion greens, daylily sprouts and tubers, wild dock leaves and roots, and a few sprigs of stinging nettle, because that's what's there and that's what we use. Very cool. Today we're using a combination of both yellow and curly dock plants in the Rumix genus. And they're all edible. Here's an example of the curly and yellow dock all washed and pretty and ready to go. So you may have these beautiful daylilies in your garden at home. Little did you know that they have delicious, tasty shoots and tubers that you can use in spring. So the daylily shoots are the most delicious when they are small, usually about 8 inches or less in size. I like to harvest the daylily shoots and tubers together, wash them up nice, and then chop them into chunks. Next, harvest some fresh stinging nettle leaves. I know we think of stinging nettles as this horrible plant that stings us, but early in the spring, they are delicious. So when you're getting ready for your spring saute, get a few sprigs, the new shoots of the stinging nettle. It adds great flavor, vitamins, and minerals to your saute. Now grab that bowl of dandelion greens you've been saving since you harvested the roots for tea. You can find my video on dandelion tea making at this link. Okay, it's time to cook. In a hot pan, quickly saute some onions in butter until they're golden brown and caramelized. Then toss in the chopped daylily and dock roots till they're softened before adding the greens. I like to add the dandelion greens first and let them cook down. They get a more spinachy flavor then. Once you've tossed in all the greens, mix them up with the caramelized onions and the daylily and dock roots and cover them and let them saute till they're nice and tender. After the dandelion greens are nice and cooked, throw in the last of your dock leaves, daylily sprouts, and stinging nettles. Don't worry, once they're cooked, they're delicious. Saute it until it's all nice. Serve that delicious spring saute on the side of a nice pork chop and a little potato salad. You'll be talked about in your neighborhood.